How to connect an external drive like this SSD drive or a hard drive to your MacBook Neo. Let's get started. So this SSD drive has this enclosure that comes with a USB drive, and most drives will be like this. This is a USB Type A. The MacBook Neo only has two USB Type C ports on the left side. So for this, you'll need an adapter that is USB Type A to USB Type C. And this adapter also needs to be OTG, which means that it's able to transfer data. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you need one. So connect it over here, and then I suggest you connect this drive in the first USB drive, this one. It will be able to transfer data at a much faster speed than the second one, which is slower. Both will work, but this one is better. I'll go ahead and connect it. If you have a hard drive that has a spinning disk inside, and it's one of those models that it's made for desktop, you'll need to plug it in a power source. So go ahead, plug it. If you have a portable hard drive or an SSD drive, you don't need to think about power. The MacBook Neo will be able to do it. So right now it's connected, and I simply have to click on Allow. And if you are on the desktop, your drive will appear. Here we go. This is it's called My SSD 120. Yours will have a different name. And I have all my files over here that I can copy and paste. Now, if you want to format this drive with your Mac, you need to simply click on the magnifying glass. And over here, simply type disk, choose disk utility, choose your hard drive under external, click on it. Make sure you have backup everything, because everything will be deleted if you format it. And now click erase, give this a new name if you wish, and choose in which format you would like it to be. Click erase, and in a few seconds, the drive will be formatted, and again, everything will be lost on it. So be careful, make a backup before doing so. Otherwise, before disconnecting the drive, once you're done using it, if you're on the desktop, simply drag it in the garbage bin over here, or if you are in Finder, this is my SSD drive, click on the small icon to eject it and wait until it disappears from the list. This is how you make sure that no data will be lost when you disconnect it. Now, okay, you see it disappeared, and now I can safely remove it from my Mac. Thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description if you want an adapter or a drive, and I will see you in the next one. Please leave a comment as well.